Hi, today we would like to talk about the difference between mammals and reptiles. Animals carry a lot of importance in our life. They offer humans with food and many other things. For instance, we consume meat, egg, dairy products. Further, we use animals as a pets too. They are of great help to handicapped. All kinds of living organisms which are composed of numerous cells and can sexually reproduce are known as animals. All animals have a unique role to play in maintaining the balance of nature. A lot of animal species exist in both land and water. As a result, each of them has a purpose for their existence. The animals divide into specific groups in biology. Amphibians are those which can live in both land and water. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals which have scales on their body. Further, mammals are ones which give birth to their offspring in their womb and have mammary glands. Birds are animals whose phloem envelopes into wings and their body is covered with feathers. They lay eggs to give birth. Fish have fins and no limbs. They breathe through gills in water. Further, insects are mostly 6 legs or more. Thus, these are the kinds of animals present on Earth. Animals play an essential role in human life and planet Earth. Even since an early time, humans has been used animals for their benefit. Earlier, they come in use for transportation purpose. Further, they also come in use for food, hunting, and protection. Humans use us for farming. Animals also come in use as companions to humans. For instance, dogs come in use to guide their physically challenged people as well as old people. In research laboratories, animals come in use for drug testing. Rats and rabbits are mostly tested often. Thus, research are useful in predicting any further disease outbreaks. Thus, we can protect us from possible harm. Astronomers also use animals to their research. They also come in use for other purpose. Animal has used in various sports like racing, polo, and more. In addition, they also have use in other forms. They also come in use in recreational activity. For instance, there are circuits and then people almost come door to door to display their trick by animals to entertain children. Further, they also come in use for police force like detecting dogs. Similarly, we also ride on them for a joyride. Horse, elephant, camel, and others come in use for this purpose. Thus, they have a lot of importance in our life. What is a mammal? Mammals is a vertebrate that purpose the mammary glands to feed their young ones with milk. The mammal differ from others 4 vertebrate groups by this mammal gland. Furthermore, the mammal is a warm-blooded animal that can regulate body heat in respective to the external temperature or the environmental temperature. Most of the mammals are terrestrial animals. Moreover, they have 4 limbs. Hence, they are theropod. Other characteristic feature of marble is their hair. Unlike reptiles, marble have hairs on their skin. Furthermore, marble do not have a nucleus in their red blood cells, while all others vertebrate possess natural red blood cells. Also, marble have oil and sweat glands. Some examples of mammal include humans, dolphin, giraffe, horse, sport, hyenas. What is a reptile? Reptile is a cold-blooded vertebrate that could not maintain constant body temperature. Therefore, the reptile's body temperature fluctuates according to the environmental temperature. Furthermore, reptiles have skin covered with hard or dry scales. Unlike mammals, reptiles lay eggs and their abandons their young after hatching the eggs. Moreover, most of the reptiles are terrestrial animals, but few are aquatic. The general belief is that during the evolutionary timeline, reptiles have evolved from the amphibians. Some examples of the reptile species include alligator, snake, lizard, and turtles. What are the similarities between mammal and reptiles? Mammal and reptile are vertebrate belong to Hymenus chordata. They are considered the most complex animals on Earth. Also, both are air-breathing vertebrates. And additionally, they have spinal cord. Moreover, both mammals and reptiles show internal fertilization. Mammals and reptiles are theropod, meaning they both have 4 limbs. Concerning the organs, both have the same organ components such as the brain, heart, stomach, lung, and among others. Also, most mammals and reptiles are terrestrial, while few are partially or entirely aquatic. Furthermore, both of them reproduce sexually. In addition, they both possess bilateral symptomatical. Besides, they possess a short-protected nerve system, well-developed sense organs, and a respiratory system that involve the pharynx or thyroid, a complex internal skeleton, and reproductive and excretory systems. What is the difference between mammal and reptiles? The key difference between mammal and reptile is the way they regulate body heat. Mammal can produce body heat while reptiles need the external heat source such as the sun to maintain their body temperature. It is for this reason most reptiles bathe in the sun to get warm. Other difference between mammal and reptile is that the mammals give birth to live young while the reptile lay eggs. Also, the mammal offspring is very dependent on their parents for protection and nourishment, while the reptile offspring do not come dependent on their parents since they abandon them after hatching the eggs. Also, the significant difference between mammals and reptiles is their appearance. That is, the mammal has hair and furs, while reptiles have scales. The below infographic of different. Both mammal and reptiles are vertebrate of phylum Chordata. However, a mammal is a warm-blooded animal, while a reptile is a cold-blooded animal. We could consider this as the key difference between reptiles and mammals. One other significant between mammals and reptile is that the mammal have hair and other skin on their skin, while the reptiles have hard and dry scales on their skin. Also, through both mammal and reptile reproduce sexually, mammal give birth to young and nourish them with milk, but reptiles lay eggs and abandon the young. Furthermore, mammals have oil and sweating glands, while reptiles do not possess. Thus, this summarizes the difference between mammal and reptiles. That's all. Thank you.